In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to disable the firmware update for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series. You may need to disable the firmware update if your company policy requires it to be managed by the IT admin. So here's how to disable the firmware update. From the control panel, go to Menu. Select Settings. Under Settings, you can see the option for firmware update. Select that. So currently, for firmware update, the setting is Auto Update. To change that, click on the arrow key. In order to change the settings, you need to sign in. For the sign in method, select Device Administrator. Now for the password, it's actually the printer pin. The printer pin can be found on the label in the cartridge access area. So the printer pin is on the label. Take note of the pin and key in the password. Once the pin is keyed in, let's sign in. For firmware updates, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom, and the choices are Auto Update, which is the current option, Notify, where it will automatically check for new updates and notify you, and the last option is Do Not Check. Let's go to Next. Select Do Not Check. Go to Home. And if you were to go to the menu again, and under Settings, for the firmware update, it is now set to Do Not Check. So this is how you disable the firmware update for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series.